Hey guys, welcome to Click Learn Tutorials. Today I'll be teaching you how to generate blank phone case mockups for your Etsy shop using Microsoft Copilot. These are great for generating professional-looking mockups in minutes, without having to spend a dime. Let's jump right in. First, you need a Microsoft account, which you can create for free on Microsoft's website, linked below. Once you have an account, click on Copilot and it will open the AI model for you. If it's your first time using it, just complete the initial setup to begin. Once you're in, it's as easy as prompting Copilot to do what you want. In my experience, Copilot generates really high-quality mockups that are usable for professional or commercial purposes. Of course, like any AI model, it can make mistakes, so the more accurate and descriptive your prompt is, the better your result will be. Let's start by typing this prompt. Please generate a mock-up phone case image where the phone case is white and it is propped up against a potted plant in the kitchen. The area is well lit, there is a mug next to it as a prop, and there is also a pair of headphones. Image is 1:1 ratio and is for Etsy. Make sure it has a cozy aesthetic, light, and inviting. Let Copilot generate the image. And that's it. You've now got a high-quality blank mock-up that you can bring into Adobe Photoshop to insert your designs and bring your product to life. Copilot even suggests follow-up prompts that can improve your image. Let's try another one. Please generate a mock-up for Etsy of a blank phone case. It is a lifestyle shot in the kitchen, and there is a mug, glasses, and a plant. The area is well lit, and the phone case fits an iPhone 15. Great, now let's generate another one. Still maintain a 1:1 ratio. The phone case is laid flat on the table. We can see the phone camera through the cutout, and again, the case is white. The area is well lit. This time, it didn't quite capture exactly what I was looking for. I was hoping for more of a flat lay style. But this is a perfect example of how AI sometimes misses the mark. The key is, the more you tweak your prompt, the better the outcome. Now let's do another one where a young lady is holding the phone and we see it from her POV. She's on a white couch, comfy, cozy, and again the phone case is white, the area is well lit, and the image is 1:1 ratio. And boom, more options. Next, you can check out how to add your design to these mockups using Adobe Photoshop. I'll link these in the description so you can download them and use them to practice making your mockups. Just click the video right here to watch that next. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more creative tutorials.